Pakistan Air Force is hosting one of the biggest, most complex exercises in this region. After the success of Exercise Intershield 2023, Pakistan Air Force is hosting Exercise Intershield 2024, simultaneously both at PAF Base Musaf and PAF Base Rafiki. This multinational aerial exercise is a step up from its previous edition of 2023 as it is taking place at two different locations at the same time. This exercise is a testament of guidance by Pakistan Air Force leadership to attain operational excellence and tactical brilliance in multi-domain warfighting. A total of 24 countries will be participating in this exercise in various roles from all parts of the globe. It is a versatile participation as countries from Asia, Gulf, Europe and African continent are participating in the exercise. This diverse participation underscores the collaborative spirit of the exercise. The primary aim of Intershield 2024 is to enhance interoperability among participating nations, strengthen military cooperation and foster strategic partnership, thus forging brotherly bonds. It focuses on simulating various military tactics to maximize the warfighting potential of participating air forces through integrated training environments. The exercise involves complex air warfare scenarios and simulations designed to improve combat capabilities and coordination among the forces. Participants will engage in various near-realistic scenarios that replicate real combat conditions, including air-to-air, air-to-ground combat tactics, augmented by air defense, deploying lethal long-range surface-to-air vectors, and enhanced by the application of Pakistan Air Force unmanned force through man, unmanned teaming in kinetic, non-kinetic roles. It's a step forward towards AI-enabled warfare and offensive-defensive Pakistan Air Force Cyber Force application. Moreover, Pakistan Air Force Space Force application in unison with counter-air operations will supplement training value, providing modern and future war theatre environments. Moreover, this exercise will be boosted by counter-terrorism training module, which is unprecedented among other national and international air exercises, providing invaluable learning experiences for air and ground crews. Intershield 2024 will be embedding both niche and disruptive technologies to add aggressive tactical application to the training. Intershield 2024 highlights modern operational concepts, strengthening Pakistan's commitment to regional security and its role in promoting joint operational readiness among the participating nations. It serves as a platform for showcasing contemporary air power tactics and enhancing mutual understanding among participating air forces, utilizing ISA-equipped long-range BBR shooters, advanced military systems such as latest generation fighter jets, modern and robust air defense networks including modern AEW and AEW&C platforms, space and cyber warfare system will be participating in this exercise.